Discover the unparalleled comfort and cutting-edge technology of Yamaha's FX Series WaveRunners. Offering 5 full-size, full-featured 3-passenger models, the FX-HO, FX Cruiser HO, the supercharged FX SVHO, FX Cruiser SVHO, and the accessorized FX Limited SVHO. These WaveRunners ensure every moment on the water is one of luxury and convenience. At the heart of the FX-HO and FX Cruiser HO models is Yamaha's 1.9-liter high-output marine engine. This powerhouse ensures quick and smooth acceleration, making it perfect for tow sports and providing a high top speed for exhilarating rides. If you crave even more performance, the FX SVHO models feature the 1.8-liter Super Vortex high-output engine. This supercharged engine has propelled the FX SVHO to multiple offshore racing championships, making it the top choice for high-speed enthusiasts. Navigating docks and tight spaces is effortless with Yamaha's Ride system, standard on all FX models. This dual throttle setup allows you to throttle forward with the right-hand lever and throttle reverse or decelerate with the left-hand lever, offering excellent maneuverability while keeping both hands on the handlebars. Beyond performance, the FX Series is designed to turn heads. Each model features sleek, modern lines and a striking design that stands out on the water. Premium materials and meticulous craftsmanship are evident in every detail, from the ergonomic handlebars to the comfortable, high-quality seating. The FX Series beautifully combines form and function, delivering a visually stunning watercraft that performs as well as it looks. Stay connected and in control with the Connext information system. The bright 7-inch screen integrates mobile device connectivity, Bluetooth audio control, and GPS navigation with geofencing capability. The drive control function allows you to set and save rider preferences for comfort, performance, economy, and towing. All FX models, except the FX-HO, come standard with factory-installed premium Yamaha audio speakers. This audio system includes twin waterproof marine speakers, each backed by 40 watts of amplifier power, and auto volume adjust, which automatically increases speaker volume as you accelerate and decreases as you decelerate, ensuring an optimal audio experience at all speeds. With an 11.75-foot hull, these WaveRunners offer a smooth, stable, and dry ride with plush seating for 3. Generous storage options, such as a 34.3-gallon bow compartment, a deep glove box, and wet storage in the stern, ensure you can bring along everything you need for a perfect day on the water. The FX Limited SVHO stands out with its limited package of accessories. It includes a single rider tube, tube holder, tube inflator, tow rope, dedicated soft cooler, glove box organizer, underhatch storage, upgraded tow hook, and a detailed GPS maps card. Additionally, gunnel fenders protect your watercraft at the dock, and an included cover ensures it stays in pristine condition. Experience exciting performance, advanced technology, and convenience features with the premium Yamaha FX Series. To learn more about the FX Series and the entire WaveRunner lineup, visit yamahawaverunners.com.